projects are created in Amplitude, dev and prod. How do I create two tags in GTM? One with API key dev and one with API key prod. So basically, Google Tag Manager. If Amplitude is not available here, what you do is you click on the template gallery, which is this little button here, which is usually a banner at the top. You just simply look for Amplitude. If you don't grab the analytics legacy, you take the browser SDK. Okay, I've already added it, which means that it's available here. This is what a tag looks like. You have a bunch of options. What I would recommend is this mimics entirely the browser SDK, right? Under the hood, this is just like a building block version of what you otherwise would do with a JavaScript snippet, because you can push this over GTM, and GTM works with tags templates. In order to know what you would do, I would recommend you to look at the browser 2.0 SDK. Obviously, every time you need to initialize the init, right? The SDK needs to load, and then you can track events. Kind of like if you're familiar with GA4, the configuration tag, the global configuration tag, and then the individual tag. Here you see API key. Typically, what I would recommend is create a variable, which is how GTM works. I clicked a little Lego brick, I build a variable. Typically for API keys, I like to use a constant. I would use a dev key, I'm gonna discard it, but this is what I would then pick and put in here. At the triggering rules, you need to set up triggering rules that make sure if my URL is staging, use staging. If my URL is production, use production. But basically, this is the field where you deal with that.